Welcome back to the channel, guys. Clay Big Toladan with MinajGarage, back with another video. And what we got going on today is a rusty trunk. What we're going to do is fiberglass this rusty trunk, save us a couple bucks. Now, as you guys can see, the trunk is all horrible, damn near missing some pieces, missing a chunk right there. Right, so what we're going to do is mold this and put it over here. Mold this side, put it over here, then we get structure to be able to fiberglass the whole thing. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Now, the reason you guys see the tape on there, because when I fiberglass, I'm going to, that's my molding agent, release agent, whatever you want to call it. You just watch and learn, you know what I'm saying? So you could hit this with duct tape or construction tape, then you hit it with some blue tape or this type of tape. This is contractor tape, but you feel me, this material type tape. Now this material is going to peel off, this tape is going to peel off of the fiberglass, with the fiberglass on the back of the fiberglass, because of whatever chemical the resin has in it. This is not going to peel off. So what I'm going to do is put this tape on top of this and then fiberglass over this tape. So I'm gonna go ahead, tape this section up with that, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, this is where we at with it now. I don't know if you can see, but I gotta hit my little corners. I'll tell you what this is about. I'm gonna leave that out the picture. So I got me a few corners right here that I'm gonna get. Yeah. Cause you wanna get the whole thing now. So you'll be able to have, so you won't have a problem releasing that fiberglass when you put the mold on there. All right, guys. Now we got that going on. Time to hit it with a fiberglass. So the whole idea, like I said, of the situation, the whole idea is we trying to get this a template to put over here, and we're gonna fiberglass the whole trunk. I don't know, I could put this template over here and then just body walk it in, but we ain't gonna do that because we're gonna just lighten up the whole situation. It's rusted all over. I'm going to just get rid of it. This is the cutlass trunk, by the way, 87 cutlass, 4-door. Like I said, I don't know if you guys watch my previous videos, but go watch my previous videos. I lost love for the 4-door cutlass because I got the 4-door Caprice box Chevy. So I don't know, I already got too much time into the car, so we're gonna just make videos like these on how to do stuff, you know what I'm saying, and just keep it going. But like I said, I kind of lost love for the car, but we'll see where it goes. Now, PSA, public service announcement, right? The first thing you would want to do is buy you a trunk. The trunk that you have, if it's rusted, you should take it to a body shop and have them weld and try to put the trunk together. Second option, you could buy yourself a carbon fiber trunk or a fiberglass trunk. Third option, second, wherever you want to put it, buy yourself a regular trunk online from one of those outlets, those classic car outlets. No, I know exactly what I'm doing. We could have it out in the comment section if you want to, but again, I know what I'm doing. This is top-notch, budget-friendly DIY stuff. You check what I'm saying? I know this shit works because I did it already, but again, I'm letting you know. Shit, it'll work just as good, and it'll hold up just as good as any other trunk, as any other fiberglass trunk. But this is top-notch DIY stuff. You check what I'm saying? The tape. This is just top-notch DIY stuff. You check what I'm saying? Bougie DIY stuff. But you should want to go buy yourself a trunk and this and that if you can't do it yourself or wherever the case is. And I am knowledgeable of the things that I'm doing. But we're going to do this here on a budget. Be mindful. Most important part is getting them edges. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, cut out a little bit. We're gonna have us have us some access, and make sure get them edges. This is actually the thinnest mat, guys. This is actually the thinnest mat of fiberglass that, well, the thinnest mat that I'm pretty sure, maybe it's thinner, but this is the thinnest mat that we have here at Glue Products in West Palm Beach. That's what I'm using. As for your mixing ratio, you would want to look that up. But when you're doing it a long time, you know how much you need to get this thing hard. What? Pause. So what you want to do is get a light coat first. When you put that fiberglass on there, it'll stick on. Get a light coat of resin. That way when you put on that fiberglass, it'll just stick. You feel me? Trying to get my edges. You know what I'm saying? As you guys can see, it done kind of stick on there because there's damn, I didn't even know if you guys see that, but as you guys can see, it's done kind of sticked on there because of the first coat of resin we already applied. This is very thin fiberglass, guys. It ain't gonna take much at all, and you just walk it. work that day. As you guys can see, I'm tapping to get out all air bubbles. That's actually how I'm applying it. I ain't even painting it on there really. I'm just straight tapping. No, you don't want any air bubbles, guys. Actually, this is the first coat of thin layer fiberglass, so air bubbles is not really that big of a deal because you're going over this again and again. But air bubbles in any situation is a no-no, so just keep that in mind. All about them corners, guys. Damn, if I do that, how I'm gonna get it? I gotta go down. Yeah, cause that's what we need over here. This corner here is very important. This piece here hanging, will give me a little problem cause it's heavy. So I'm gonna just go ahead and chop this here. It's gonna give me a problem. Stick that bitch on. Matter of fact. Shit, I could just cut it two at the same time, you know. You ain't really gotta pay attention to the corners like that, because you could just cut them with a grinder. Matter of fact, ain't nothing to it but to do it, guys. As you can see, like I told you guys, that hard brush is really coming in handy. Working them edges. Working them edges. Getting the bubbles out. Guess what? I got a bunch right here. I don't need to. Guess what, guys? That's it. That's it, guys. A little extra resin in here. We're gonna just goddamn stiff ass fiberglass. Like I said, we can just cut them edges, man. I ain't even tripping about that. Rough draft. More that she wrote, guys. There you have it. All that I gotta do is dry, and we literally have our molding for this side right there. This is trash. Give it a few minutes to be dry, and we'll be back. All right, guys, so here we are back again with the finished product. I should have recorded taking it off, but it is what it is. It's a bit flimsy, but all we wanted was a template. Now, tomorrow we're gonna fiberglass the whole thing, but like I said, all we wanted was a template, and that's what we got, guys. Boom. That's it. That's all we wanted. So I'm gonna bolt this down to here to the actual trunk, and then I'm gonna fiberglass the whole thing. This is part 1. Look out for part 2 tomorrow. Until then, like, share, comment, subscribe. Peace.